Quickly.
Dave doesn't want me to come in there.
Oh, but you have to.
Well, she's not getting ready. I'm taking her home.
Well.
I'm not going to sit and argue with you if I know what we're going to do when your mom wants to know what we're going to do.
Tell her you don't know. Okay, when you get a chance, Kate, you can come in here. Hey, yeah, as soon as you get a chance, just walk right on in here. Well, that's a car. Somebody's car. There's somebody's house, there's somebody's car, or somebody. The guy's still working. Now look at his plan of exit here. He has the front quarter open, but yet in front of him, the big snowbank. How is he going to get through that? He ain't going to turn around, look at all that snow. He ain't going to get nowhere with his plan. Heck, I know, I just pulled the car out of the ditch. Me and Dave Gadbow ourselves worked on it. Here comes another car. Probably somebody who charged us $10. Wait, I think David Gadbow's coming. Should we interview him? Katie, come quick. Katie? Come on, Katie, quickly.
No, we're leaving.
Katie, look. Look at the television.
All you got to do is ask us and I'll know what to do.
That's a lie. This is actually happening.
Who answered it?
I don't know what we're doing. You're taking Katie home, I guess.
Well, if you'd answer me one or another, it'd be a lot easier.
What is your question?
Let's go, Smith.
He's going back and forth all right, well, how is he going to get out? Oh, come on, he knows better than that. He's really going to try it. Oh, now he's stuck. Now he's really stuck. Well, it was a good attempt, though, I must admit. Oh, now he should shovel that out better. He's stuck now. He's never going to get out of there.
No.
He's stuck. That's a big car. Oh, heck, he's stuck.
He might get out.
No, look at he's going uphill. He's going into a snowbank. He has good snow tires, I must admit. He just does a bad plan, that's all. Well, he should have known better to park on that side of the street in the first place.
I think he had no choice. I don't think he could go any farther
Do
up.
you know who that is?
No.
There's the wise man right there. Now he's more stuck than he was. Oh, here comes some clowns. What do they want?
No, I'm going to take Katie home.
Bring food back with you. Well, here's the
With
tow
what?
truck.
With what?
With the car.
No. We're having spaghetti. I told you that.
Okay.
You know, if you have...
Well, don't put it on me now. Don't put it on
Are
me.
you gonna go through later or not? That's what we want to know. That's the whole thing. That's all we want to know.
We don't have any gas money.
Well, that's all you would have had to say. So if somebody would call, I could have told her that.
What did you tell her?
I told her I didn't know what we were doing.
Well, you didn't lie.
Let's go, Katie.
There's some snowmobilers.
I'm sorry.
They're blocking our neighbor's driveway. That big old rust-colored car.
Get them fucking dishes done by the time I get back.
Why are you mad at me? You're putting all the weight on me. What are you doing?
Hey, all you had to do is tell us what was going on.
You could have said it.
We've been wanting to know for 3 days.
Jesus Christ, Dave. Look at the circumstances.
I am looking at the circumstances. In other words, they're fine.
Oh yeah, right.
I've been asking you for a week to do the dishes, and they're not done.
Why are you throwing that up again?
Hey, this is no big surprise. I've been asking you for a week to do the dishes.
He's almost out. He is out. He's out. Oh my God. It's amazing, folks. There he goes. It's all over. It's all over. He did it. He got good snow tires. Everybody's leaving now. Well, I guess this is Katie signing out.
Bye.
No, into the camera. Into the camera. There you are. Hey, what? You got any closing comments? None? Don't you have anything to say for the bad snowstorm or the worst in life?
Surprised that guy got out.
So are we. Thank you. Okay, wait. Let's.
What?
Okay, wait. These are new winter boots. Oh, wow. Let's get a close-up shot of that. Boy, our lighting is bad here.
It can be yours if the price is right.
All
Yeah, but
right.
we'll take him back in a month.
Why this month thing? You set up
I
that.
can buy my own boots in a month.
Oh. All right.
Alone.
Hey, Katie, do you have anything to say about all this?
You just never mind.